wala yung two best players mo, tsaka yung number one mo off the bench, si Dison mo. So that's what made it so impressive. Ang depensa, ang galing ng depensa ng ano.
Yeah.
And then Jamal Murray, as good as he is, Pao, he can't guard anybody. Nagiging mismatch. Kinain siyang buhay ni Shannon.
Yeah.
Diba? Did you see
I heard
that?
the commentators has been saying, pastas kung sino yung binabantay ni Jamal Murray yung tumitira.
Yes, ina-atake, ina-isolate. Yun ang
Di ba,
sabi.
ina-atake siya?
Yes. Sabi nga ng anak ko kasi my friend, my son, who has a lot of friends who root for Minnesota. Tawa ng tawa kami kagabi, nanood kami late at night, almost midnight na yata yun natapos eh. Tapos yun na nga, sabi na, nakita namin, dad, look at this. Kasi pag yung last 1 minute and 20 na lang, binantayan ni Jamal Murray si Shannon. Shannon was a two-way player. He did not play in the regular season kasi nga ang tindi ng Minnesota. Pero nagka-injured 3 player, bigla siyang nag-start kagabi. But it just shows you the talent level of the NBA. This is a guy who barely played. Ito po, last night, he started on an elimination game, scored 26 points. And not only that, that trust na binigay ng coach. Kita nila, Jamal Murray nagbantay sa kanya, they left him in an island. Clear out, boss.
Yun diba? Na napapansin ka.
Oo. Diba? Clear out agad and attack Jamal Murray, and Jamal Murray blow by agad, boss. Layup, uncontested, left hand pa. Talk to the hand.
Layup and jump shot. I think also that affected the offense of Jamal Murray.